According to China EV Post, Tesla is ramping up its marketing efforts in China. Chinese customers who complete their Tesla vehicle deliveries between May 25 and June 30 have a chance to win a free tour of Tesla's Fremont factory in the U.S. Tesla will cover airfare and transportation costs for the lucky winners. Additionally, customers who complete their deliveries by June 30 will receive 6,214 miles of free supercharging. Tesla is also offering a chance to win a 2-day visit to Giga Shanghai for test drives done before June 30. On May 17, Tesla promoted a zero down payment purchase program for select Model 3 and Model Y versions. Customers ordering a Tesla before June 20 could receive 3,107 miles of free supercharging, limited to 140 places. Tesla's Shanghai factory has reduced Model Y production by at least 20% from March to June. The factory has an annual capacity of over 950,000 vehicles, producing Model 3 and Model Y. You are listening to Yuan News.